Hello and good day. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with a daily analysis of the global gold ounce for March 30th. Last week, we saw gold prices fluctuate by 12%, eventually closing with a 0.5% gain at around $4,490. This comes after an initial drop in price to about $4,100.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
Early in the week, which was then followed by a noticeable price surge once the news broke about the negotiations between the United States and Iran. Last week's price action clearly showed strong support at the $4,100 level, while the previous week's high of $4,600 remains a key resistance zone to watch. And today, we saw the market open with an initial bullish gap. Following the open on this week's first trading day, the price moved lower, dropping down to the $4,417 range. It then found solid support at that level, sparking a bullish move, and gold is currently trading around $4,540. We're now looking at the 4-hour time frame. We can see that during last week's rally, the price reacted to a 4-hour FVG zone and pulled back from that level. Ultimately, with the weekly candle closing as a hammer, notably a classic bullish reversal pattern, many top market analysts continue to maintain a bullish outlook for gold's next move in particular. These analyses point out that no asset ever moves upward in a perfectly straight line. After any bullish run, the market generally needs a period of correction and a temporary breather. Currently, many analysts predict that this temporary correction is over, and we could see the price continue its upward trend toward the $5,000 target. Now let's switch to the 1-hour time frame. Here we saw the price drop sharply after today's open, filling the 1-hour FVG zone. It then reacted to a 1-hour order block within that range and started moving back up. As we can see, this upward move has been quite strong, reaching back up toward the previous high. However, to confirm this as a short-term bullish trend, we need the subsequent candles to close above the previous high around the $4,555 mark. Given our positive outlook for gold's next move, if we see a temporary pullback to internal liquidity zones like the 1-hour FVG, we can look for buy entries using various strategies. By tapping into the internal liquidity in this area, the price could push toward higher targets, such as the previous high around $4,600. Good luck and stay profitable.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.